Welcome to Dreamy's Country Kitchen. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I am making a lemon pound cake, a simple classic recipe, an oldie but goodie. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is our ingredients list. I have unsalted butter, room temperature. I have some lemon juice. I have some heavy whipping cream, flour, sugar, baking powder, eggs, which should be room temperature, lemon zest, and vanilla extract and lemon extract. I'm going to begin by adding in my butter. Add the sugar and then beat your butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. You don't want it to be grainy or still having the sugar crystals in it. I have already included my lemon zest in the sugar. Next, I'm going to add in my lemon extract and also my vanilla extract. Next, I'm going to add in my eggs one at a time. You can add the next one when you see it break. You don't want to overmix, and you want to slow down your mixer for this process so you don't overmix your batter. Okay, now for our flour, we begin with flour and end with flour. So I usually split it into 2 to 3 portions and add in my liquids in between. Okay, heavy whipping cream is going to go in next. And then I'm going to go back in with my flour after that. I also have freshly squeezed lemon juice that I'm going to be adding in as well too. During this entire process, don't forget to scrape down the sides of your bowl and go underneath, because sometimes the sugar can hide under there, and then when you bake it, it's just oily and the cake won't bake right. Here is the pan that I prepared. I'm using Pam's baking spray. I don't use Baker's Joy anymore, but you can use whatever is more comfortable for you. Whatever you like. Just remember to properly coat it and make sure that you get all the bubbles out of your batter as well. Okay, you want to put it in the oven on 325 for an hour and a half to maybe an hour and 45 minutes. It depends on your oven. Don't crack that oven open until you get to the 1 hour mark. I got distracted with my kids and the cake cooled entirely too long. Look at my poor cake. I'm so sad. I hate when that happens. So the first 10 minutes out of the oven is crucial, because if not, then your cake will look like this coming out. It happens if you make pound cakes or bundt cakes, but we love a clean release. And unfortunately, that did not happen for me today. However, thankfully, this is a cake for the house, so my family and I will definitely enjoy it anyway. If you made it this far, thank you for tuning in. Thank you to those who have come back. Consider subscribing and come back for more recipes. Shalom.